Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in previous video I showed you all how to make this keychain. Actually I remember this. So most of them told me that they love this idea but they don't prefer using such big keychains. So they asked me if they can use such things to make something more creative. So in today's video I'll be showing you what else you can make using this. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me no more.
If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below, and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Touch me.